Hi guys, today we're playing with makeup. I wanted to use some products, get a really nice summery bronzy glow on, and do some kind of crazy big luscious lighter smoky eye. It's gonna be very exciting times. I wanted to play today. I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below what other kinds of summery or just makeup looks in general that you want to see from me. If you like these videos, if you like having fun playing with some makeup, doing some get ready with me's, please do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos from me, let us embrace the heat and turn up the heat on our makeup and put it on our face. For the base, I just want it to be so flawless and glowing and bronze. I mean, that's always the goal, but today I'm really gonna amp it up, okay? Amping up the juice, as we so lovingly say here. And the first product I'm gonna be putting on my face is the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. So what I'm gonna do is actually take a couple of pumps of this. I'm gonna put it on my skin. Oh, feels so nice. Juice it up. And then I'm actually going to take another pump of it, and I'm going to take a pump of the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. This one is in the shade Radiance. And I'm going to do that on the palm of my hand, and I'm going to mix these together. Just making a little smushy smush on here. And I'm gonna then put this on my skin. I watch a lot of Danessa Myricks' Instagram videos, and she's always just putting this all over the face, but I find if I don't have some kind of base on my skin beforehand, it can get a little bit chunky. So I just wanna make sure that there's some kind of base on the skin beforehand before rubbing it all over. And it's nice to do this underneath your foundation because it's just putting such an intense glow on your skin. Now let's go in with foundation. I'm gonna use the Mcgrath Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. And I'm also gonna put this in the palm of my hand. I'm going to apply it with my beauty sponge. I really did just want a much more flawless base today. So this foundation is nice and covering. It'll get us all sorted once we blend it all in, and making sure to get down the neck too, so it's all blended and even. Brief intermission. Oh man, today is a day I cannot handle how hot it is right now. I'm gonna take the foundation off of my lips. For concealer, I'm gonna take a bit of my Ford Concealing Pen and just focus that mainly underneath the eyes, but I'll do some spot concealing as well. I have a couple spots around my mouth. I mean, the Mcgrath foundation has such excellent coverage. You really don't need much, but I do have some redness that I just want to tackle a little bit of around here. Then just take the beauty sponge. Okay, now we're going to do something crazy. I'm going to let my skin soak. I sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows and eyes now and finish up the face later. I'm doing this simply because if I mess anything up, I need to have the space to begin anew with my face. So we're doing the eyes first, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and fill in the brows. Okay, so now for the eyes, I'm gonna use the Fenty Moroccan Spice Palette. It's been so long, my sweet angel. I'm gonna start with this shade right here, this lovely warm brown, and I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush. Now, one thing I've been realizing with my eyeshadow application is that I've been applying the product, like my pressure of the actual brush has been very hard. So I've been trying to do my best to really lighten up that pressure, like just so softly pressing it onto the eye and seeing if that helps with my blending life. And this is the Smith 232 brush. It's so nice and big and fluffy and soft. And so I'm just taking that product above the crease, like from the crease and beyond, and just bringing it all the way to the inner corner of the eye, all the way. Okay, so I know this looks crazy right now, but we're gonna take that same shadow with a smaller brush and take that all along the lower lash line and just bring that up to meet the shadow that we blended out up top. And now I'm going to take the Victoria Beckham Cocoa eyeliner, and I'm going to put that in the waterline. I can't decide if I'm going to do this on the top yet or not. I think I will. I'm just going to take a little brush and blend that into the lash line. And then just go back in with more of that shadow and bring that over top. Now taking that liner, and we're going to smudge a little bit on the top. I don't want to go all the way across the eye. I just want to do about half. And then just taking that small brush and just blending this out. I love this liner so much because it's so creamy and it gets really nice and sheer when you blend it out. So I'm basically just tracing this all along. And then I'm just going to follow that little line we just created with the lower lash line over here. So this has just intensified the lash line. Do the same on the other. Now I'm going to take that small brush that we were using on the lower lash line and dip it into this brown right here. And we're going to use that to just intensify this entire outer half of the lid. And I'm going to try to so slowly do this and build it up so that we can have a beautiful smoke into the warmer shade that we put into the crease. So I placed the bulk of the product right out here in this little outer corner that we've so nicely crafted for ourselves. And then I'm just going to slowly blend that into the center of the lid. So see how it just gets so soft and smoky as you go out? And we'll just keep building this up. And then just take the big fluffy blending brush and go over that and try and smudge away any harsh edges. Then I'm going to take a bit of this pretty pink, very light pink shade. And I'm just going to place that right into this free space on the lid. And then over top of that, I'm going to layer this beautiful shimmer shade here. But we're going to leave the eyes here for now. Just leave the smoke to itself. And we're going to go ahead and finish up the face. For the bronzer, I'm going to start with my Nudestix Bondi Bay bronzer. I'm just going to apply this to the cheekbones. A little rainbow up top here. And on the jawline. I'm going to blend that in. This is the Smith 157 brush. I went to purchase another one, and they're all sold out. All the brushes are sold out. It's so sad. I'm just going to use this to blend out that bronzer. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Bubbly Bebe and just apply that to the high points of the cheeks. Wow! The tip of the nose, bridge of the nose a little bit, and just a little bit on that Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to layer the NARS Laguna bronzer on top of this. I wanted something a little bit more cool toned for the bronzer. And this is the Refer 05 brush. It's been so nice. I've been loving using this for bronzer. And I washed all my brushes last night and they're so clean right now. Woo! Okay, then I'm going to take a little bit of that powder bronzer and just go down the center of the nose, which really, in my opinion, is the step that kind of ties everything together. Like once I do this, I feel like my face looks so much more complete. Do the little Victoria Beckham V here. And then for blush, I recently just super randomly picked up this Burberry Tangerine Blush number 6. The Burberry makeup, I don't know what's going on there. There seems to be not a lot in stock. I wonder if they're doing like a full refurbishing. That would be incredibly exciting. But I had actually seen that they had a ton of like orange lipstick options and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to buy these. I had no idea they had these like beautiful lip balm products. Anyway, while I was looking at those, I saw the Tangerine Blush. And it's not that like vibrantly orange, but it's actually just like a really lovely peachy nude. And considering it's probably been around for a long time, it is a new discovery for me. It's so lovely and subtle. I feel like I've been going a little bit heavy on the blush specifically lately. And I've been playing with so much cream product. I was just itching to use a little bit of a powder blush, or a lot of it, whatever. Love this color though. Such a gorgeous, like, very unexpectedly beautiful powder coming out of this one. So that's the tangerine blush. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. How could I? I'm just taking a powder highlight and hitting it in there, and I'll do the brow bone too. Whoops. There we go. That has a much more finished feel. I'm gonna douse myself in some Fix Plus right now. Okay, so now that we've spritzed ourselves down, I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs At Lash Mascara and finish off the eyes, trying my hardest to not get any on my lid. Oh my, oh my. Okay, now for the lips, I'm going to use this new one from M Cosmetics. This is the Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner in the shade Mink. It's a very gorgeous nude lip liner. Exciting new launch from them. It's really nice and creamy, really creamy, and I like this color. Obviously, it's a brown nude. My favorite. And then this is another new product from MAC. This is the Shot of Color Lip Oil, and it's in the shade Punch Drunk Love. I showed this on my Instagram the other day. I think it is such a pretty product. This color is so unique. I don't even know how to describe this shade. I think it's so pretty. I love the doe foot applicator. It's got this little bend to it. It really nicely hugs the lips. It's really cool. Ugh, I just love that color combo with the brown lip liner. I'm obsessed. And you guys, that's the finished look. Let me know what you think. It's been a while since I've done something really truly smoky like this, but it's kind of fun. It's fun to play every once in a while. I pulled out this Moroccan Spice Palette, and it had been so long since I just sat and played with it, and I just wanted to do something smoky and fun. So let me know what you guys think of this look. If you liked it, if there's any other makeup looks you want to see me do, any other products you want me to try, please let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this little playing with makeup tutorial moment, and I'll see you all very soon for a new video. Bye!